Hey everyone, welcome. It is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you're catching me live, you're going to see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. This way we can chat right here online on Facebook. Super cool, right? If you're catching me on YouTube, you guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos and upcoming things coming in our company. So, hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome to my live. For those of you that are new to the page, I want to say a great big welcome to you. And for those who always come back and watch, thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me. Your I don't want to say your sponsorship, but being here with me, it means a lot to me, and I appreciate all of you being here. So thank you guys so much. This company is called Chalk Couture. So do you see all these amazing things, hey Amy, that are around me? I created all of these products with this awesome product that we offer through our company. So real quick, you guys, let me tell you what this is. So again, the company is called Chalk Couture. We are a revolutionary concept in DIY home decor and crafting, and you won't find our products anywhere else except for designers like myself. We have these super cool silk screen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology chalk paste, and we have our Couture inks. We do offer several surfaces like chalkboards, box wood frames, canvas pillowcases, and a tote, but you can use this on so many other surfaces. So you can do this on wood, tin, dry erase board, canvas. You can make t-shirts and dish towels and pillows and mugs, and I can just keep going on and on. But the greatest thing that we can offer to you is a home business opportunity and be a designer like myself, where you can get this awesome kit for $99. There are over $240 worth of products if you are in the US, and if you are in Canada, because we just launched in Canada on Monday, May 6th, you actually have two kit options. One is $19.99 and then the other one is $129. So again, you guys, if anybody is interested in the home business opportunity, please reach out to me, as I'd love to share that with you, because our products are just amazing. And when I say anybody can do this, I mean anybody can do this. So as I'm going through this little DIY tutorial today, if you have any questions about what I'm doing, please ask me, because I want to answer those for you, because our products are super cool. Okay, so let me get this all set up here, and I hope you're excited to see this, you guys. I made a flip-flop. So I'm super excited. I had this, like, obviously, if you go to Pinterest, you guys, I mean, like, seriously, Pinterest is like the world full of ideas of home decor, of cooking, of dressing, of fingernails, of healthcare, anything you want, you go to Pinterest, right? So I had been on Pinterest and I saw people doing flip-flops, and I'm like, I want to make my own flip-flop. So I did. I made my own flip-flop, you guys. Truthfully, this is just a piece of, I actually got this wood at Michael's. It's a 1/4 inch, I think this was a 1/4 inch thick, like pine board, nothing fancy. I actually went online. Hey, hi, Jess. Where are you going, Jess? Where are you and Scott going? I had to get off because I had to do my live. So I cut this out. Like I said, I went online and I printed out a template. Let me be honest with you, the template was small, so I couldn't use it. The template was like the size of an 8x10 piece of paper, and it wasn't big enough. So because my husband has a size 13 foot, I took his sandal and I put it on the piece of wood, and then I kind of traced it like way on the outside of it to make it the larger size of the board. So here he comes. I'm in trouble.
That is not the size of my foot. She's exaggerating a lot. That's like twice as big as my foot.
Jess, tell him to go sit down. Jess, please. So, but I did use his sandal. Go get me your sandal and I will show them. Nope. So this, like I said, I just took his sandal, I placed it on the wood, and then I traced it around the outside. Super easy. And then I cut it out with my scroll saw. I sanded it. I then painted it with white acrylic paint, And then I took like an aqua acrylic paint. I painted that over top. Hey, Nancy. And then I sanded it down. Okay. These holes, I did use one of his, what are they called, honey? What's the drill bit called for the holes?
Drill bit.
It was a drill bit that drills holes. So I did it myself, you guys. So totally did it myself. Didn't need him. I just needed him to tell me where to find the tools in the garage. Now, because this is a wooden surface, I did wax my surface.
She didn't put them back where she got them.
I didn't put them back. They're still sitting on the table because I need them for more. Anyway, that's a whole other... Shh. Okay, go back upstairs. Thanks, honey. Love you. Bye. Okay, so this is the Minwax finishing paste that I use when I wax my surfaces. Again, because this was a painted wood, I went ahead and waxed it. Mine is a natural. You can buy these at any local Walmart or hardware store. And then you wax your surface. You let it dry. Truthfully, I just waxed this surface probably about a half hour ago. And I'm going to go ahead and chalk on it. Okay. The other part that you would need for it is rope. This, again, I bought this at Michael's. Nothing fancy. I cut it to the length I wanted it. And then I added tape to the end. And I'll show you why I added tape to the end here in a little bit. So the beauty of our products, you guys, is this. So these are the super cool silk screen reusable transfers that we have. Great directions on the back in case you would shop right from our websites. It tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store, because you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one of these transfers. Okay, so I thought this would be perfect on here. Right? Because flip-flops in summer are like the best thing ever. So the first thing that you want to make sure you do is write on the back. I just take my marker, write that there. I am going to get my fuzzing cloth out. These are the amazing fuzzing cloths that are going to be coming back. Hopefully, I think it's next week sometime. So I'm going to take my finger and rub it right over the edge of my transfer, you guys, to get it started. Just like that. I flip it over and remove my carrier sheet from my transfer. Now, as you can see, that's sticky. I'm going to leave that there. Just want to tell you, again, if you forget to write on your transfers, one side, I don't know, hold on. Let me see if I can get it for you. One side is shiny. The other side is not. So if you ever forget to write on the back, just remember the shiny side is the side that your transfer goes back on. Okay? So I'm going to set that off to the side. I'm going to fuzz up my transfer. So if you don't have a fuzzing cloth, it's fine. We just recommend them because they're the best fuzzing cloths ever. One side's a microfiber, one side's your fuzz. You could always put this on your t-shirt or something like that. So I'm just fuzzing up my transfer, and then I'm going to pull this off. And then I'm going to place this right on my surface, right where I want it. Okay? I'm actually going to go down just a little bit because I want to make sure it looks proportionate. I'm going to smooth this out so there are no air bubbles in my silk screen. And then I don't know, you guys, I need your help. Hey, Brenda, welcome. Okay, you guys, I need your help. Do I want to do the shimmering copper or do I want to do the guava? So I'm going to wait a few minutes. You guys tell me, shimmering copper or guava. This is our chalk paste that I'm using today. By the way, our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So while I'm waiting to see what you guys choose, I want to show you something really cool. All right, so this is kind of what is really, really great about our chalk paste. Number one, it is made in-house, so you're not going to find our chalk paste anywhere else. Second of all, as you can see, this design is already completed. I can rub my hands all over this, you guys. It is not coming off of this surface, right? So you can touch it, feel it. I have not sealed this to make it permanent. So guess what? I can remove this at any point in time because our chalk paste is, again, water soluble and semi-permanent. I'm just going to spray it with some water. And this is also really cool is if you should ever mess up a design, okay, we got one guava and you need to redo it, this is the beauty of the product. Number one, the transfers are reusable. Number two, as long as you're on a non-porous surface, you can absolutely remove your design to redo it. Okay, got another guava. Oh, we got a lot of guava. So these are our board erasers, and you just take it and you rub this over your surface. just like this, you guys. This is how easy it is to remove a design when you have used our chalk paste. Check this out. Just like that. How cool is that? Now I have a brand new surface that I can chalk on. So just think, if you've got a beautiful chalkboard that you change out for each and every holiday season, that is the beauty of our products, is you can change it out all the time when you're using the chalk paste and when you have not sealed your project to make it permanent. How cool was that? All right, we got 3 guavas so far. Anybody else want to throw anything else in there before I go ahead? And I'm just going to go with the guava. Guava, guava. Let me get that opened up. That's a pretty color. It's a really pretty color. A nice peachy color. I like it. Now, like I said, your chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So it goes on as the liquid and then it'll dry as a solid. I just want to add a little bit of water. Stir this up using our stir sticks. Okay. A little bit more water. Like I said, I like mine to be a yogurt sour cream consistency, you guys. So I'm just going to stir that up a little bit more. Okay, I'm good with that. And I'm going to put this up so you can see. All right, so now all I'm going to do, I'm going to take my squeegee. And you guys are going to be like, this is crazy. So I don't have any air bubbles in there, right? I'm going to take my squeegee. Oh, you know what, guys? No, I'm just going to go with it. I'm going to go with it. Take my squeegee. I'm going to dip it in. And then I'm going to scrape it across my silk screen. So I don't know if you can hear that. I am literally scraping this across because I want to make sure I get my chalk paste through that silk screen. And with the chalk paste, because it is chalk, it does dry quick. So you got to kind of work a little bit quicker with it. Scrape off any excess and put it right in your jar. And wait till you see this. This is the best part. So for those of you that have worked with crickets or silhouettes and you had to do weeding. Oh, I'm glad you like this color. There is no weeding. Hey, Veronica. Now, always pull your transfer top to bottom, left to right, never corner to corner. Check this out. Ta-da! Just like that, I'm sticking my transfer in my water off to the side here. And you guys, it was that easy to create that. Check it out. Look how nice and detailed that is. Look how nice and crisp the lines are. How cute is that for summer? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's dry this so we can continue and I can show you how I get my little top part on to make it look like a flip-flop. So I'm just going to take my hair dryer and dry this. And you guys, if you really, like, if you think this is cool and you think somebody would love this, please share my video. You're welcome to share it. I always appreciate it. It's probably one of the greatest compliments you could give me. Valerie, I cut this out myself. It's a piece of 4-inch quarter pine wood that I got from Michael's. I traced my husband's flip-flop, but I kind of went way out of it. So I just took his flip-flop, I sat it down, and then I traced kind of around it, bigger than obviously his shoe, because his foot is not this big. That would be pretty sad. And then I cut it out with my scroll saw and sanded it down and painted it. Okay, so this is how I'm going to get it to look like a flip-flop. So this is why I tape my edges, okay? So I've got each side taped. And it is a little bit harder, so I might have to take it off screen to pull it through. Because it's not easy. Oops, oops, oops. Wait a minute. I need them both at the same time to do it. I had it the other day when I took the picture, so bear with me, you guys. Okay. So, this is the hard part, is getting it through. But I don't want my hole to be too big that it looks silly. But it works. Okay, it's coming, guys. Ah, there we go. All right. And then I leave a piece. So I've got that through there. Sorry. Whew. That's a little bit of work. And I always leave a piece hanging in the back because that's what I will hang it from. I take these two and I pull them through this way. And this is why the tape is good. It allows you to grip it without pulling that apart. And then you can play with this, you know, however you want it to, like however big you want your loops to be. Something like that maybe. But there you go, you guys. You've got your cute little flip-flop. It's got the little hanger because you left a little bit in the back. See? Nothing fancy. Seriously, nothing fancy. I would staple these down or I could tie a knot. Either way in the back. I've got my little hanger. And how cute is my little flip-flop? Right? Isn't that cute? Super fun, super easy, you guys. The beauty of our products is you can create your own DIY home decor, which I absolutely love. If you're local to me and you want to do a workshop, I would love to do one with you. Just please reach out to me. And then again, if you're interested in being a designer on our team, again, I'd love to share that information with you as well. So you guys, super fun, quick, easy design tonight. This is day something of 40. I don't remember. But we still have a lot of days left to chalk together. So I hope you have a great start to your weekend. I hope you have a great Friday night. And you guys, I hope you love my flip-flop. And I will be chalking with you very soon, you guys. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great evening. Good night.